Hi, I'm Joanne Molinaro, and I am a chronic dieter. I've tried just about every diet out there. See, Atkins, low calorie, low fat, paleo, South Beach, keto, everything. And in the end, I think the only lessons I learned from all those diets actually hurt me more than they helped me. I developed really bad habits with the way that I fed my body, and this in turn led me to viewing my body as an enemy rather than as my closest and most loyal ally. I would actually get mad. I'd get mad at my body for having the audacity to be hungry, or sometimes I would resent my body for being weak because I'd been starving it. I would look at my body in the mirror and I would totally abuse her. I would call her ugly. I would tell her she was too fat. I would tell her she was unattractive. In retrospect, I honestly can't believe I treated myself that way. I mean, would you say those things to your best friend, your sister, your daughter? If not, why then would you say these things to yourself? It wasn't actually until I started running that I began to view my body a little differently. I realized that the human body, including my own physical form, was capable of doing things I had never, ever imagined. And I'm pretty sure that if you sat back, you really thought about it, thought about all the things your body has done for you, even when you didn't treat it very well, you'd be astonished. It has recovered from literally hundreds of illnesses. It's bounced back from countless surgeries, broken bones, open wounds that hardly left a scar. In some cases, it served as a temporary home for other human beings. It's birthed your family. It's allowed you to feed your babies. And don't forget, your physical body is a partner to your spiritual body, which is what allows you to battle against the stress, the anxiety, the grief that adheres to this life. So, don't you think that your body deserves a little bit better than a diet? I do. When I went plant-based in 2016, it was a little terrifying. I was so afraid that I would no longer be able to eat Korean food, which is ultimately what led to me creating the Korean vegan. But one of the most amazing side effects of going vegan was that I finally discovered that food wasn't just an equation of calories in versus calories out. It was a way of communicating and demonstrating a quiet activism, compassion for animals, compassion for the planet, and most fundamentally, compassion for myself. After decades of yo-yo dieting and disordered eating, I was now building a relationship with food that allowed me to finally fuel my body with intention and empowerment. This is why I am so excited to share with you the Korean Vegan Meal Planner, something I've been working on for the TKV community to be the exact opposite of what I experienced with diets. With over 2,000 recipes, including exclusive Korean vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else in the world, this meal planner provides you with direct and instant access to the foods you want to eat, when you want to eat it, and however much amounts you want to eat it. Before you even dive into the library of recipes, the app is going to ask you a bunch of questions that are designed to ensure that your experience with the meal planner is tailored to you, to your goals, to your style of eating. You'll be able to tap into the expertise of experienced food coaches. And guess what? If you got a problem with any of this, there's an actual phone number at the end of which is an actual human being. And if it helps you meet your goals, all of the recipes include nutritional information. I think one of my favorite things about our app is that it's partnered with national grocery chains so that you can create the perfect grocery shopping list for yourself and then have them delivered to your front door. I think it's just so amazing. And you get all that for less than $2 a week, which, let me be honest, I spend way more than that on my weekly lattes. So, while it may be called the Korean vegan meal planner, honestly, it's all about you. This is your meal planner, one that I hope will help feed your body and all the people in your tribe with delicious food, the kind of food that you deserve, not a diet.